Miriam Makeba and social death. So more often than not, mesicabanga about people abashona for this nation. Hlezi sicabanga abo Steve Biko, abo Solomon Mahlangu, Robert Sobukwe, abo Lilian Ngoyi, Ruth First, and many more. And justifiably so, yabo. But you often forget ukuthi ukufa is not only a physical thing. Yangithola. So today bengifuna sikhulume nge-social death and uMiriam Makeba, yabo. Because uMiriam Makeba, though she did not lose her life physically, yabo, but socially she was unalived, yabo, washona socially, yangithola. So ngo-1959 umama Miriam Makeba, umama Africa, plays in a documentary known as Come Back Africa, yabo. So this documentary exposed the atrocities of apartheid and how this system was a vicious system, ukukhohlakala kwayo le system le, yabo. So obviously upon exposing the regime was furious, yabo. So uthi uMiriam Makeba asathola umhlaba for this documentary. Then they decide ukuthi she's now exiled and the passport is banned, yangithola. So obvious, it was the first step of a social death, yangithola. Ukuthi manje uMiriam Makeba is disconnected from her history, from her people, from her language, from her culture, and from socially just belonging, yangithola. Obvious, social death happens in multiple ways, yabo. For example, one of the best examples of social death is during slavery, yabo. Like abantu, they used to be still bebaphila, beba alive, bebangashonanga, yabo. But they did not have ama-rights and privileges wabantu abaphilayo, yabo. Bongakwazi ukwenza noma yini ngesikhathi ofuna ukuyenza ngaso because you are property, yangithola. So uMiriam Makeba naye faced the same death, ukuthi socially she was unalived, yangithola. And the worst part was ukuthi she could not speak her mother tongue, yabo, because manje as an exilee sikase America, sikase Guinea, akasahlali in her home country, yabo. So it's rare ukuthi ahlale nabantu abakhuluma ilanguage yakhe, yangithola. She couldn't bury umamakhe, and I think uMiriam Makeba speaks about like very deeply ukuthi dating yamhetha deep, yabo. Ukuthi even upon coming back from exile, the first thing she did was go to the grave yakaMamaki and she mourned uMamaki. I think for 3 hours, 2 hours, ahleli on the grave yakaMamaki and mourning uMamaki. You understand? She lost siblings, abantu abaningi from her family members, bashona while she was still in exile. You understand? So nakhona she was still disconnected from her family yakhe. Yangithola, she was disconnected from her people, yabo, because the apartheid regime ensured ukuthi we do not remember, we do not think, nor do we hear anything about Miriam Makeba, yangithola. They banned music wakhe in everything, even literature nje inegama lakhe was banned from this country, yabo. And then it was further exacerbated in 1963 when Miriam Makeba went to the United Nations and exposed the apartheid regime as an evil regime, yangithola. And they claim that Miriam Makeba was a political activist, yabo. Even though yena ngokwakhe she kept saying for multiple times, for years and for decades, she kept saying ukuthi I'm not a political activist, yangithola. I sing and I speak about my experiences, yabo. So it's unfortunate ukuthi my experiences are politically linked, but yini enangifaka kule situation le ukuthi manje everything I say, everything I do is political, yangithola. Mara uMiriam Makeba, though she was socially unalived, even though wahamba this thing of social death, mara she teaches us a very important lesson, yabo, ukuthi we must never be silenced under any circumstances, bafethu. We must never be silenced, yabo. They tried silencing her, yabo, but the more they attempted to silence her, the louder. In 1966, nanka amaphoyisa azongena endlini yakamama Khawuleza, yangithola. So now like ibona bayamsilence but bamnikeza an opportunity ukuthi manje she sings for the entire world, yabo. So now the entire world is listening, yabo. The entire world can now see ukuthi actually there's an issue in South Africa, yabo. She's now gaining international fame, international recognition, yabo. And instead of ukuthi yena athathe le fame le like ajabulela ukuba famous, she uses her platform to raise awareness about what is happening in South Africa, yabo. And that was very, very important, bafethu, yabo. So we must really appreciate abantu abafana nabo Miriam Makeba, yabo. And we must never forget abantu abafana nabo Miriam Makeba, you understand? And Miriam Makeba also proves exists to show ukuthi angeke sonke resist i-oppression ngendlela eyi-one, yabo. Umuntu nomuntu has a role to play yabo, and everyone should play their role effectively, uyangithola.